Scatpack Bullies, AMG, and OKC traffic. I love this video. I'm gonna keep him on my left side. Here, come up here. Okay. This nigga think this shit a game. Niggas always want to test me, bro, when I'm not recording. Like, get gap, pussy. Come on now, bro. Your shit too slow. YouTube. Operation Cut Up is a go. This is the part 2 of that last video. Y'all know we just left the casino. They just took all my fucking money. Now we're finna try to run this shit up real quick. You know what I'm saying? Hold up. Fuck, can I cut this light on? SRT tings. Scatpack tings. If y'all new to the channel, man, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Like, real shit, bro. Stop what you're doing. Go down and hit the like button, bro. I need at least 50 likes. If you don't see 50 likes already, go hit that fucking like button, bro. Now let's get straight into the video. Yes, Lord. Y'all know what time it is, man. Time to cut the fuck up. Hold up. Calm down. Scattiana. Ooh, I don't know. Let me know how I feel about Scattiana. That might be the name. Boop. Fuck you talking about? Oh, shit. Y'all know we gotta put this shit in that custom mode. Y'all know my custom. Hold up, make sure I get it in the video. My custom joints is track on sport street. You feel me? I don't like my steering stiff as fuck, bro. If y'all put that shit on track, that shit gonna be stiff as fuck, bro. I like being able to zzz. You feel me? Oh shit. Oh, let me lock in a thumbnail. Let me see. Thumbnail. Lower this a little bit. Thumbnail. Speed up a little bit. Thumbnail. Slow that bit down. Hold up. Lower this. Now speed up again. Thumbnail. Alright, bro. Hopefully the thumbnails is lined up properly. Another fucking open hoop session, bro. It's 2:44 in the morning, though. We just left the casino. How much money you just lose, buddy?
100 quickly, bro.
100? Hey, child, lost $100 in like 10 minutes, bro. No bullshit. Oh, I gotta change this. Bro, I lost $100 in like 10 minutes, bro. Yeah, they got it. Usually I be breaking their ass. I came in there with a little $100 limit, bro. I was gone. Y'all know a nigga like me, if I lose my 100, I'm recharging. Come on now, but I need more coins. But yeah, fuck no, I couldn't do it. I'm like, hell nah, bro. Let me go ahead not feed my gambling addiction more than I already have. I just came to, I basically went to the casino just so I could get a video. Because last time I did a video, I was just driving around, bro. And when you driving around, your ass do not be thinking. You just be driving, bro. So, nigga, I missed my exit like 4 times, bro. That shit was crazy work. But yeah, this time I'm like, fuck it, I'm finna have a little destination to go to, so we just cut up to the casino. But now we finna go ahead and cut up on the way back to the crib. Oh, I be forgetting this a whole new video. All music in this video is by my boy SLE Benny in the chat, bro. Not in the chat, it should be on the screen somewhere, bro. I'll probably either already put it up there or I'm finna put it up there right now. Type shit. Alright, let's get back to cutting up, though. What did you do in that little ass? Yeah, bro. Don't make me do it to you, bro. I just don't like these fucking swerves. Now you finna have it, stupid nigga. Like, bro, why the fuck would you just test me, bro? I just blew the shit out of me, bro. Keep your little slow shit back there, bro. Don't embarrass yourself. It's been nothing but fucking lights out tonight, bro. Like, come on now, lock the fuck in, dude. I don't got no radar detector, so I be, you know, paranoid as shit. I see them lights. I ain't ready to take them on the chase yet. Hold up, I need this joint on heated. Them niggas dying on their end on how the table turn. Don't swear that bucket around this way, gon' leave the video burn. Don't hate your mama out and black watching them pull a hearse. The youngest nigga out my section had a scene turn. And all that decent on the day ain't gon' get a nigga burned. Don't have a pocket pillow like the weird niggas straight. That shit was funny, it was us, and now y'all niggas But yes, bro, we can try and get some type of clips because it ain't no hooping going on tonight, but we getting fucked up tonight. Now I'm probably finna edit this video. I don't know if I'm gonna upload it tonight or if I'm gonna just wait till the morning. I feel like a 3 a.m. upload, I can't be that fiend out to post, bro. I might be overly geeked. I post this shit at 3 a.m. Lock in these thumbnails. See, like, I'm seeing nothing but them lights up there, bro. What's going on, shawty? Oh, it's not traffic, but construction type shit. This shit slow, bro. I think I just got the fastest shit in the state. For real. I got to. We're running out of unreleased music, booming. We need more. Hey, chat, if y'all know any rappers, underground rappers that got some unreleased music, bro, that's not to a label, bro. Any shit that ain't copyright, send that shit to me, bro, I swear. If they shit not copyrighted, send it to me, bro, I swear. This shit right here is going to blow the fuck out of me, I swear. I swear it is. I'm gonna probably edit this shit out. I love being the godliest editor out there, bro. This some niggas I was finna hit in the last video for 10K points. Type shit. Back to hooping. I'll go middle lane, bro. I got you, slow ass truck. Actually, you want to line it up in that truck? You want to line it up? Come on, line it up. Line it up. Line it up. These niggas be terrified of me, bro. I'm telling you. But like, if he don't want to do nothing, bro, who I'm finna cut up with? Who I'm finna cut up with if he ain't on shit? Oh, he coming up here. Is he coming up here? Let me see something, bro. Please try something. I'm praying he tries something, bro. Please do. Come on, bro. It's a straightaway. This is a perfect time to test a nigga like me, bro. If I was you, I'd test me for sure. Like, if I was you, I'd do it. If I was you, I would do it. If I was you, I would do it. Honestly, I would. Come on, come up here. This shit just so slow. Sorry, bro. Can't fuck with me. On to the next. It's like, bro, I'm literally like dangling a string in front of him. Like, bro, come catch me, slow ass truck. He can't do it though. Up here ain't nobody up here, bro. Just a whole lot of lonely hoop sessions and slow ass cars, bro. I might have to push out to Dallas, bro. Y'all know that ain't even too far of a drive. I live in OKC, so that shit like a 2-3 hour drive. Tight shit. Push out to Dallas, cut up, see what they got down there, boy. Cause this shit in the city, y'all been seeing my last cut-ups, bro. All I do is bully niggas and nobody wants to fight back. Like, it's no retaliation, bro. There was a little nigga trying to race me earlier, but he got his ass gapped. Like, nigga, you're trying to OC race with 2 big ass trucks in front of me. In my lane, your lane open as shit. Fucking goofy nigga. Hold on, what we on the right now?
Man, I don't see no cars inside.
Man, what? Hey, child. They scared to come outside. Ooh, yeah. Niggas know we stepping night and day. Well, chat, ain't nobody fucking coming out, bruh. So that's probably finna conclude this video, bruh. Because I promise you, I don't even got shit to yap to y'all about, bruh. For the next 20 to 30 minutes, I'm finna push to the crib. So, yeah, bro, y'all enjoy this 10-minute video. If y'all new to the video, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bruh. Hey, the first cut of it that gets 100 views, I swear on my life, I'm gonna straight pipe my car the next day. The first cut of it that get 100 likes, I'm straight piping my car the next day after that shit hit 100 views, bruh. So make sure y'all run up my likes on these videos, bruh, for real. Till next time, it's your boy Davy. I love y'all boys. Keep dying in your life, fuck nigga. Hold up, the vid at 10 minutes. Ooh, 10:05. Gazer. Niggas always want to test me, bro, when I'm not recording. Like, get gap, pussy. Come on now, bro. Your shit too slow. Oh, and I'm recording in regular mode, bro. Just know I just left his ass on God, chat. There was some Benz that tried to test me, bro. As soon as I cut my phone off, bro. Come on now, stupid nigga. You know this is a Scatty Honor. Don't ever try me in that slow ass car. For real. But yeah, chat. Love y'all boys. Hold up. I think he finna come back up here. Nah, if he come back up, I'ma line it up. Yeah, this nigga go again. Look on the right side. That slow ass car, bro. Sit the fuck back. Come on now, bro. You know your shit slow. Which way are you going so I can cut up with you? Which way you going? I want to cut up with you, bro. Oh, okay. So no. Line it up for that slow. I'm not racing you down this fucking turn. Come on now, bro. You know better than that. You know better than that. Come on now, dude. Look at this nigga, bro. Truck finna hit him in some more shit. Let me get over down there, bro. Okay. Scatpack Bullies AMG and OKC traffic. I love this video. I'm gonna keep him on my left side. You trying to record me like I'm not cutting up with this car. No. You're going to stay on that side, pussy. And I'm going to stay on this side, you pussy ass nigga. You understand me? What you want to do in that slow shit? Line it up. Come on. Come up here. Come up here. Okay. This nigga think this shit a game.
Later, dude.
He knew his car was too slow, child. Like, as soon as I tried to hit my video, niggas try to line it up. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this video, chat. If y'all new, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, bro. Now we gotta get the thumbnail. That's all, buddy.